So my son's got a landscape photography assignment he's got to do for school, and we're just in time for yellow leaves and orange leaves and gold leaves all over the hillside. We're gonna head up the canyon, the young man and I, see what we can do about getting some footage and some still photos of the beautiful landscape with the fall leaves.
We headed up Butterfield Canyon in the southwest corner of the Salt Lake Valley. I wasn't optimistic that we'd see much color in the leaves due to the extreme drought in the area. Sure enough, at the bottom of the canyon there wasn't much to see, but the colors got more vivid the higher up the canyon we got. The colors we see here in Butterfield Canyon are mainly provided by oak trees. They usually turn a nice shade of orange or red. Quaking aspen turn an amazing color of yellow this time of year, but they prefer to grow in elevations higher than what we find in this canyon. I found some beautiful spots to shoot aerial video and photos. My son did too. Hopefully he'll do well on his landscape assignment. Here's a bit of the footage I captured. I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, please consider leaving a comment below. Thanks for watching.